Venice was built behind a mask, a city suspended between water and sky, never fully solid, never fully certain. For centuries, people have come to this place to disappear, behind silk and porcelain, behind gold and shadow, and behind masks. Not to hide, but to become. To step outside the weight of names, roles, expectations. To exist without explanation. Once, masks erased borders between noble and commoner. Power dissolved, status blurred, and for a moment identity was fluid. You were not your past, your title, or your future. You were possibility. Anonymous, we are lighter. For one night, we can be anyone. We can be mystery. We can be intrigue. We can make believe. The city watches quietly as figures move through the narrow alleys, living echoes of another time. Performance and reality soften. The line between who we are and who we pretend to be fades. Faces disappear. Stories begin. In Venice, she hardly seems to notice.